Hi, I'm Stella Chu, a Twitch streamer, creator, and many know me as a cosplayer. The ROG Flow X13 is an incredibly versatile laptop that I'm able to use in my entire creative process. In my workflow, I go from my design desk to my print room and even into my workshop. There's so many parts to my process that it can get really exhausting running back and forth. Because the ROG Flow X13 is ultra slim, super light, and has such a great battery life, it can be with me every step of the way, allowing me to work seamlessly from project to project. I tend to use the Flow X13 while I work in tablet and laptop mode. In my creative process, I start off with a sketch in tablet mode with the stylus. This makes getting my ideas out of my head and into something workable, quick, and efficient. After I'm satisfied with my design, I move into my 3D programs where I'm able to 3D model in software that has high CPU demands. With the touchscreen, I can view my designs while getting my hands dirty. I can make changes while working with my machines and not have to worry about being tethered to a wall. Having portable power has given me a tremendous amount of freedom and space. Not only am I able to use it for creative tasks, but it's also great for playing games on the go and streaming directly to my fans. The ROG Flow X13 features an AMD Ryzen 9 5980HS at its core, and if you really want to take your gaming up a notch, the ROG XG Mobile includes an external graphics dock that plugs directly into the Flow. I never have to worry about a new title being too demanding when I have so much power available to me, thanks to the XG Mobile House NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. Not only am I able to play all my favorite games, I can plug in my much-needed peripherals. Having a Gigabit Ethernet connection allows me to upload and download large files from my work and gives me maximum bandwidth for online gaming and streaming. With all the different things I do in my life, honestly, it feels like it was made for me.
No matter your passion, go with the flow.